Today we're going to show you how to make meatball sliders, perfect for a gathering with friends. Add some garlic, herbs, and spices to your ground veal and roll them up into a round shape. I'm gonna add some salt, black pepper, and garlic powder into my flour mixture, and the parmesan really helps to add a nice crust. I'm just gonna drop them in my preheated pan. Once I have some nice even caramelization, I'm gonna leave them to the side and add in my canned tomatoes. Once the sauce is heated up, I'm gonna add my meatballs back in to finish cooking with a few herbs. I'm gonna use some minced garlic and thyme to make some compound butter. I'm gonna smear that on my slider buns and leave them in the oven to toast. So I'm just gonna add a slice or two and some Parmesan cheese, and by that time my garlic bread slider buns are done toasting off. Freshly picked basil and pickles is all you need now. And there you have it.